Here are caramba. Here are top three things that George really likes. Number one, George really likes Sonic the Hedgehog. He is a big fan of it, and he made like 3 videos about Sonic the Hedgehog, but with the word George Jr. on it. Number two, he likes his own series. His series, well, he just he likes it, but that's his opinion. And number three, oh boy, George has 3 teams on his side named Bryden, Giovanni, and Esteban. So yeah, those are the 3 facts about George. Yeah, I don't know. I think the next one's gonna be 3 facts about Odin. So yeah.